In this video, I will show you how you can fix if split screen is not working on your iPad. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Then tap on Software Update, and over here, just make sure that your iPad is on the latest software version. After that, in the main settings page, just tap on Multitasking and Gestures, and over here, instead of full screen apps, either select Windowed Apps or Stage Manager. I will select Windowed Apps. Now after you do that, then just scroll down and make sure that all these options are enabled. Now to open apps in a split screen mode, just open any app which you want to open in a split screen view. For an example, I will open the Photos app. Now to open this app in a split screen mode, you can either swipe down from the top of the screen, and you can either tap and hold on the three dots over here, and as you can see, this menu will appear which will show the split screen options, or you can tap on Window, and from Window just select Move and Resize, and over here you will find all these split screen options. For an example, I will select Left and Right. As you can see, we have opened one app in a split screen mode. Now to open any other app in a split screen mode, let's swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go to the home screen, and from here let's open any other app. For an example, I will open the Notes app. Now let's say if you have opened the other app and if it opened in a pop-up window instead of the full screen mode. Now to set it in split screen mode, just tap and hold on the three dots over here and you will open this menu. Now over here you can select any of these split screen options. Now this is one method, or you can just drag this app and you can throw it to one side. Now as you can see, we have opened two apps in split screen mode, but you can open up to 4 apps in split screen mode. Now if you have done all that, but if the split screen option is still not working, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can fix if the split screen option is not working on your iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.